Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com. Today's a real exciting video for me and those of you that have watched my channel for a long time because today is 120 days of daily uploads. The challenge is complete. Finally, I've worked so hard the last 4 months for you guys to make a lot of content on e-commerce, Google Ads, Google Shopping, and anything about growing your e-commerce store. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what that resulted in, like the journey so far, giving you an update. So if you're here looking for e-commerce specific knowledge, I'll talk a little bit about that, but generally this is an update for the channel. And this will be really helpful for you guys out there that are doing any sort of content strategy for your business or even your e-commerce store. And I want to really emphasize a few different points in this video. The first thing here is the subscribers. So I've got 1,180 subscribers over this 120-day challenge. So 4 months of posting every single day. And, at the start, I started with 38, I believe, at the very, very beginning, because I had this channel. I posted a few videos, random videos for like sharing them with different people, and some people just subscribed randomly. So I started from 38. So I got, over 1,150 subscribers over that period. But I'm going to show you the stats now, and I'm also going to show you where I started. So the first thing I want to show you is this is my first video, and that's a great screenshot right there. The first video I posted is how to fix disapproved products in Google Merchant Center 2020. Before I started the challenge, I did a lot of research and thinking, what are people really struggling with? And Merchant Center is causing so many problems for people, especially during COVID. Google have cracked down on this. So people needed help. So I made this video. It's the first video on June 1st, and the quality honestly sucks in terms of the lighting is terrible. I can't speak much here right now, but this is screen share, so I'm not obsessing about the camera and everything, but I had annoying noises, had the weird transitions, and I'm just not as confident in front of the camera. And you can see that over this 120-day challenge, you'll see that, or hopefully you see that my whole content and my presence in front of the camera has significantly improved. And I thank the consistency of the challenge and filming very, very regularly, and it's really built up those sort of social skills and engagement skills in front of the camera. Something that's really interesting that maybe you don't even know about is this is the first video I published, but I made videos before this that I was so embarrassed to publish and I almost gave up because they were so terrible, like so bad. And here's one that I actually did put on, but it's a hidden one, and it's called How to Optimize Your Google Shopping Campaigns. And look how bad this is. Oh man, this is cringy as heck. So yeah, so I had the COVID, the corona, like the quarantine haircut. I'm really awkward. You can't hear it, but basically I'm just really, really monotone and boring in front of the camera. It's just not engaging at all. And then it goes into this screen share here, which is just the most boring thing ever. Even though it's got I really believe in this content as it's got really good content quality here in terms of what I'm talking about and going through in the video. That's a 14-minute video that it would just bore you to death. And so I made that video and I thought, okay, this sucks. Am I going to give up here or am I going to keep going? And then I sat down and went, okay, I need to make a better strategy. So that was in May of this year where I actually published that one. And I was like, okay, I need to sit down and make better videos. So that's when I really thought, okay, let's get a better camera, better microphone, better everything, make myself look presentable more or less. Yes, that's what I did. And the first thing I did after 30, so I posted every single day. 30 days in, I posted this video here, and you'll see, and then this is in a playlist on my channel. It's called Channel Updates. You can find it here. It is. Here's the playlist here. There's only a couple videos in it right now, but you'll see here in this first video, I got to 154 subscribers in 30 days, and I was so proud of that. I thought that was the best thing ever. I spent a lot of work getting to that point. And then I did another 30 days after that. I got to 326 subscribers. So I basically doubled my subscribers in the next 30 days. So it's like the first 30 days got 100 and whatever it was, 54. Then the next one, 326. Then 90 days. So 30 days ago, I doubled again and got to 670. So it's this exponential growth that you see. This is what happens when you go all in on your content strategy. Exponential growth, guys, just going more and more and more. And I gave you guys an update there. And then now we're at 1,180. So it's not quite double. I almost got there, but it got pretty dang close. But I'm just so thankful for all the support you guys have given me, and I think it's a real sign that I'm making valuable content. And when I do check out the comments, and I try to respond to them every when I can, but there's so many comments coming through. But when I check the comments, I can really see that I'm really giving you guys a lot of benefit and a lot of value in these videos that I'm posting, putting a lot of time into this, into the scripting them out, planning out all the ideas, the topics, filming them, getting them edited, doing the thumbnails. It's so much work. It's so much more work than I thought it was going to be. But honestly, I don't regret it at all. It's been one of the best things I've done this year. I'm really thankful I did it. I've grown as a person because of it, but also I've helped so many people, and that's been really fantastic. So let's get into the analytics. So I've filtered this for the last year just so that you can see it on a scale. You see here, it's just like a gradual, like an incline, but then it goes like a ski jump. It goes whoosh. And so you can see I'm really on the rise here. And it looks like people just hate watching my videos on the weekends. You guys just love watching them during the week, but every single week that I post, it's just going up and up. I'm not sure how this week's going to go. I'll talk about what I'm going to do next, but this is from posting every single day. Watch time, this is even more interesting. So you see here, that's a pretty good bit of an exponential sort of increase, but here it's even higher, the watch time. And I believe that the reason is because more people are finding me and are then going through my content and consuming more content. So it's one thing for someone to find a video and get some help, like in these videos that I've got here that are my most viewed videos, like fixing disapprovals, fixing suspensions, uploading the feed. That's all good, helping one person. But what I love is when one person comes and gets help from one video. Like a really common video is verification. So I've got a really small, like 4-minute tutorial that shows people how to verify their Shopify site in Google Merchant Center. It's got a lot of views, but there's so many comments, people saying thanks. But then a lot of these people then go to my channel and check out how to set up reviews, how to do negative keyword mining, how to set up shopping campaigns. So they go through and actually learn way more. I got them in because they found one problem that I helped them solve, and then they started consuming all my content. And this is why the watch time goes up and up and up, which is really, really cool. I'm getting very, very consistent views every day. It's going up and up, which is really, really exciting. And I'm just really glad because it's all just showing that I'm reaching more and more people. YouTube is acknowledging that I'm making good content because you guys are engaging with my posts. I'm getting likes, I'm getting comments, and I really appreciate that. So that's pretty much the results so far of this 120-day challenge. And I'm getting a lot more comments on that 30-day video of people that are saying, like, I'm starting this challenge. I'm motivated now to try this. Like, I want to do this. And that's really, really awesome. Go for it. Go hard. Go really, really hard. Don't give up. But even keep in mind that just after 30 days, I got some good results. So see here, that was 30 days in. So that was a nice little thing. But then compare that to 120 days, and it's like 10 times that. So, and that's only 3 extra months. So, you can't do a video every single day forever. But just keep in mind that these results, it takes time. Maybe and here's the other thing is that the videos that are now getting all the views, look at that, they're all in June. So they've all just been going for so long. They start ranking, they start, getting that traction. So, the 30-day challenge is good. But, set whatever you think you can handle. I think if I was doing all the editing, all the thumbnails and everything while also running businesses, it would have been really hard. So I had some help from my team, but I was still doing all the scripting, all the filming, and some of the editing too, and a lot of visionary direction sort of stuff. But do whatever you can do, but I really recommend this challenge, hands down, amazing thing. And looking forward, I'm really excited for what I'm going to do next. So I've got a lot of video ideas, a lot of new videos to film. I'm probably going to take a step back the next month. I need a break, guys. Sorry to say it, but I'm burnt out pretty much from a video every single day. It's a lot of pressure because I really committed to this. I wanted to do it. I was like, I'm not going to give up. And there were times, especially around day 100, where I was saying to my friend, man, I'm so exhausted. I'm just so tired of making all these videos, because then I'm also doing so much other business stuff, a lot of meetings, a lot of calls, hiring, so much other stuff to do. But I stuck through it. I'm really thankful I did, and now I have this video to show you. So I'm going to keep making more videos. I'm going to step back a bit, but then I'm going to work out some routine, maybe 3 or 4 videos a week. I'm going to delve into some other topics that I think are going to be really useful for you guys. Stuff like organic SEO marketing, getting into email marketing, lots of other different ways that you can grow your e-commerce store. Now that I've got this foundation of knowledge on my channel, I think that's fantastic, because whenever I make new videos, people are then able to go through all my content and just learn and learn and learn. And that's when I talk to any of you guys when people email me, I really appreciate that. You're saying that you started with one video and then you just kept going and going and going, and that just makes me really happy because I designed my channel in a way that if you come in and find me, I want you to just get as much value as you can. So I say, go check out this video, go check out this video. And I try and link them in the description. So you're just bouncing around consuming my content rather than trying to send you to some page or some course or something like that. I think eventually I'm going to make a course and help you guys in that way because I think there's a big opening in the market for a really good Google Shopping course. I think I can do that because I give a lot of information on my channel, but I really want to spend a lot of time getting into the nuts, the details of especially scaling Google Shopping campaigns because it's a lot, and I really want to spend that time to teach you guys how to do that. So that's a lot of my plans: making more videos, more content, maybe some courses. But so far, I'm really glad that you guys are enjoying the free organic content that's there. I think that I honestly believe that the content I'm making is better than so much of what other people are making because a lot of people are creating courses and they're hiding all their good information in that course. I think I've had the freedom of saying, I'm giving everything up. I'm giving it all to you guys. No, I don't know what the saying is, but like I'm not holding anything back basically. So yeah, that's been my approach. It's worked really well so far. And I think a lot of people are noticing that. I'm getting comments like that on the channel. Anyway, guys, that's a full update of this. I'm just going to show the channel analytics and showing the journey so far. I really appreciate all the comments that I'm getting. And if this video was helpful in any way, just let me know in the comments. I appreciate that. But that's a big overview. Hope that helps. And guys, I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is, the next week. I'll see whenever I post it. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.